Here we have two prototypes to visualize the linkage used for our ping pong ball server. Both of these have a higher cyclic rate than we would want for how often we want to serve a ping pong ball. For that reason, it would rely on the loading mechanism to determine how often a serve is. This is the insides of a reciprocating saw, which is capable of really high RPM and theoretically can get the ball to the desired velocity. However, the stroke is just too short that it doesn't reliably get the ball up to speed. From that second one, you could see that when it gets the full impact, it can actually be launched relatively fast. The problem is, because it's reciprocating so fast, it rarely gets all of its energy transferred to the ball. This one operates much slower. It has a small motor with gears inside to get the desired RPM, a small crank, slider, and a linkage connecting it together. As you can see, the results are much more consistent. Also note, the slider is offset of the ball. This imparts a spin on the ball. In the final product, you would be able to rotate the barrel so that the slider impacts each side of the ball depending on which type of spin you want in your serve. You probably also noticed that it's not very fast. It was determined that a much larger crank with a similar RPM could get the ball moving at a more desired serve speed. This would also, unlike this, give the ball, or the slider rather, more time to push the ball to its final velocity, rather than having a brief impact.